The week started as ordinarily as any other, with some of the finest scientific minds flying into Friday Harbor on San Juan Island, in the state of Washington, from all over the world. After many initially awkward, yet ultimately pleasant interactions, people began to feel at home in the lab. Day 1 started with dissections and histology. The researchers analyzed pre-made slides that depicted cross-sections of healthy abalone using compound light microscopes. The researchers then compared the healthy tissue to that infected with rickettsia. After all, you have to know what's normal to find the abnormal. Normal. Normal. Abnormal. These pictures show what abalone tissue looks like under a microscope. Abalone is the common name used to refer to any one of a group of marine snails that are susceptible to rickettsia infection. Rickettsia is a type of bacteria, a genus, that can cause disease in many different marine invertebrates, including, as we just saw, in abalone. Day 2, the scientists went to Point Caution to study sea stars, not starfish, because there's no such thing. The data collected from this expedition is still being processed, and I am legally not at liberty to comment on an ongoing investigation. The rest of the week was devoted to investigating the prevalence of labyrinthula infections in local eelgrass populations. The eelgrass populations of Indian Cove on Shaw Island and False Bay on San Juan Island served as the study populations. For this study, 10 eelgrass specimens were collected, and the width and length of the second longest blade of each individual was recorded. Labyrinthula infections were identified based on the characteristic black areas which often surround dead cells on the eelgrass blade. The length and width of the infection was also recorded.